Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Banker's Box Large Classic Moving Box 10-pack, designed for easy and efficient moving. These boxes offer quick and easy assembly with no tape required, making packing and stacking a breeze, and they come pre-printed with convenient labeling space to keep you organized. With reinforced handles, you can focus on your move without worrying about the boxes, as they provide a simple and secure way to carry and transport your belongings. The convenient lift-off lid ensures quick access to your items when needed, while staying secure during transport. Made from recyclable materials, these boxes are not only strong and durable, with a double layer of corrugate on the bottom and handle sides, but also stackable and reusable, allowing for easy breakdown and flat storage until you're ready to use them again. Measuring 21 inches by 17 inches by 17 inches, they're perfect for packing larger items like linens, stuffed animals, and lampshades. Proudly made in the USA at our Itasca, Illinois facility, which is equipped with a 1 megawatt solar array, these boxes are a reliable and eco-friendly choice for your moving needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.